Welcome back to my channel. This is One Love Lifestyle. I'm gonna make cassava pudding. This is a cassava right here. See, these are the cassava. So I'm gonna put yellow yam in it. See the yellow yam over here? Yellow yam, coconut, cinnamon powder, vanilla. We're gonna put flour and salt and sugar and some more ingredients. So stay tuned. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to break the coconut and I'm gonna peel the yam and I'm gonna cook it for a little bit on the stove. Then I'm gonna peel the cassava, and then then I'm gonna grate the cassava. Stay tuned. I'm going to peel the yam. See? What it look like here? Still peeling, it is not finished yet. I'm going to wash it. Put it in the pot. I'm not gonna fully cook it, just gonna cook it halfway. Then I'm going to turn off the stove. Cook after it half cook. See? Yellow yam, see? Yellow yam. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grate the cassava. But while you're washing my hand, I'm gonna grate the cassava right now. This is grater. See? This part I'm gonna shred it a little bit. Not fully grate, I shred it like. See? I have a little thing like I'll cut it out. I'm not gonna use that part. See? In the part having a little thing in there. See? Take it out. See? This part look good. Let me get another piece. See what it look like in the thing? See there? And I'm gonna put some of it too in the also in the blender and blend it out when I'm finished. After I do the coconut, I'm gonna put some in the blender with a little bit of water and get it out. But if the grater can't go too far, then I'm gonna grate out of it. See all this part here? I'm gonna take it out. See all this part right here? Over here? All this I've cut out. Can't put it in there. Cassava, something I can't put on for too long. It's easy if it get, go bad. See what it look like? I'm gonna grate some more. See what I get already? See what it look like here? More grating. This is cassava flour. See that? See what it look like? Stay tuned. This is a grated cassava. And over here, this here, I'm going to put it in the blender with some coconut milk. Over here is the Ninja blender. I'm going to put the coconut in the blender right now. Let me rinse my hand. See? Coconut. Put it down too. I put it down too. This is the cassava. I'm going to put it in the blender now. I'm blend it with just a little bit of coconut milk. Let me put in the remaining balance. Balance of the cassava. Down 5. Stop it. Check it down, see what it look like. See what it look like here. This is what the yam look like. Take a look at it. So I'm gonna put it in the blender and blend it. It halfway cook, not fully. See, in the blender. This is what the cassava look like from the blender. And this is the yellow yam. See the yellow yam here? This is what it look like. So I'm gonna pour the yam in this. This is all the sweet cassava. This is what it look like. So this is the yellow yam right here. I'm gonna put it over here into this, right into the cassava. What it look like. So doughy. That's yellow yam. Stay tuned. This is like 2 pounds of brown sugar. And over here, we have 5 pounds, 4 pounds and 3/4, mistake, 4 pounds and 3/4 pound between yam and cassava. So I'm gonna use like 2 pounds of sugar in it. So let me pour some in this bowl right here. And I'm gonna use like less than a pound of flour, maybe 3/4 pound of flour in this. So this is the flour. Let me use this to mix up the flour. So maybe mixing up the flour in the coconut milk. This is just a portion of the coconut milk. Just I whip this around with it a little bit. Add some more flour, not a lot. So actually I'm just using 3/4 pound of flour. I put in 1.5 teaspoons of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. And I'm gonna put in 3 teaspoons of vanilla in it, and 1 teaspoon of almond and rose. And I put in 1.5 teaspoons of salt also. So next I'm gonna add in the ingredients. Stay tuned. Also add 1/2 pound of butter in it. So let me put this in here. This is the cassava and the yam. I'm going to place the banana leaf in the pot right now. Put this over here. Banana leaf, see? Banana leaf like that. This one is the banana leaf. Yeah, turn it this way. See? Banana leaf. I put it over here on this one, see? Take a look, banana leaf. They're already clean, and they, you know, we put them over the fire to so let them look like that. I mostly want it in the bottom part of it, bottom area, like this. Then I'm gonna pour. Just give me a minute. Everything is already clean, clean, clean. See, banana leaf me put in the bottom. So I'm gonna pour the, see, this is what I'm doing here. See, I'm gonna pour it over this in this pot right now. I have to do a number 3 pot. Stay tuned. This is the grill right here. See the charcoal? Over here, sir, is 1 pot. That's 1. Over here is number 2. But I'm gonna put it in the middle like first, but first thing first, let me put some, I'm gonna put some ashes on top of the pot them. See ashes here? See ashes? Ashes. So put on the ashes. Some more ashes. Charcoal. I'm outside, and outside is a little cold. I'm gonna bake it on the charcoal for about 1.5 hours. This is the cassava pudding. They finished. I didn't blog it part from outside, but this is the ashes are here. So I'm gonna lift it off and show you. I add banana leaf afterward. See what it look like here. This is the other one. Take a look. See, isn't those looking beautiful? Total was 3 of them. See the next one here. So I'm gonna take one of them out the pot now and cut it. I'm going to remove this pudding right here. Put it over here in this bowl. Wow. Take a look at it. Look, this is the pot. That's what the pot look like. Wow, isn't this yummy? See, removing the banana leaf. See the banana leaf here? Okay. This is so cool. Look at it. Okay, though. Banana leaf time. I am going to cut it. Cassava pudding. Take a look at this. Looking good. I am going to sample it right now. See what it look like here. I'm gonna taste it. It is yummy, yummy, yummy. See? Yummy. This is original, authentic Jamaica cassava pudding. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new to this channel. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you for watching.